Okay, now I'm going to show the door lock setting. So inside the door lock setting, you can actually rename the door lock name, even the door lock locations. Alright, so how to use the smart KeyWe? Before you use the smart KeyWe, you have to make sure you set the door lock locations. Just click the button here, right? It will track your current locations and click select. And door lock location has changed. Continue. And success, and you're going to click this one, smart open. So to open or activate or deactivate, yes, you can set the distance, right, the radius distance that you required, and the opening time, and also the sensitivity.
Phone in the hand. Open it.
Open.
The door is unlocked.